Step 1. Open the email sent by our Epic Wallpaper Store. Step 2. Tap on Download Content. Step 3. Download and save your full HD video to your device. Step 4. Go to Settings, and tap on Wallpaper. Step 5. Tap on Gallery, and select the downloaded video. Step 6. Adjust the wallpaper and tap on Set on Lock Screen. Enjoy your brand new wallpaper. Hold your horses. If you want to set up your wallpaper for both home screen and lock screen, keep watching this video. Step 7. Go to the Play Store and install the app Video Live Wallpaper Maker. If this app does not work for you, you can alternatively install these other apps. Step 8. Open the app, and tap on the 3 lines on the top left corner, and then tap on Local Videos. Step 9. Select your downloaded video, adjust it to your liking, and then tap on Set as Launcher Wallpaper. Step 10. Finally, tap on Set Wallpaper for home and lock screens. Enjoy your brand new wallpaper.